Hi, I will be doing a speech on tradition versus transition for Clemson's crossroad in the transfer portal era. For years, Clemson football has been different. The Tigers didn't chase quick fixes, they built players, developed leaders, and created a culture that valued loyalty above instant success. And it worked. Championships, NFL stars, a legacy of doing things the right way. But more recently, it's become a source of concern. The problem is that the landscape in today's college football changes overnight. The transfer portal has become the new recruiting battlefield, a place where programs find experienced talent to fill immediate gaps. Meanwhile, Clemson has mostly stood still. As New Week's Matthew Skeet pointed out, Coach Dabo Swinney has been reluctant to bring in the portal players at all. In his philosophy rooted in loyalty, but in 2025, it started to show its limits. Per the Clemson Leader, just 5 scholarship players transferred out after the 2024 season, and nearly none came in. That means Clemson's roster turnover is slow, depth is thin, and injuries hit harder than ever. Programs like Alabama and Florida State, they're using the portal to plug holes immediately. Clemson's still waiting for the next recruit to develop, while other teams reload overnight. The results? Inconsistent performances, missed opportunities, and a growing sense that the Tigers' loyalty-first model is costing them games. The solution would be an upbeat, energetic, and tones rises. But here's the thing. Clemson doesn't have to throw away what makes it special. It just needs to adapt. On 3.com, Steve Whitfongs describes it as a selective modernization. Use the transfer portal not as a shortcut, but as a supplement. Bring in mature, high-character players that fit the Clemson way, players who can step in right now and fill critical gaps while leading by example. Think of it this way. The portal should complement the development, not replace it. In this way, Clemson can rebuild from within while adding high-impact talent from outside to regain its competitive advantage without sacrificing its soul. Tradition is powerful at Clemson, but in a game that is always changing, tradition alone does not win. The Tigers can choose, either remain proud, risking falling behind, or evolve and rise again. By mixing loyalty and adaptability, Clemson can prove that the heart of its program doesn't have to change, just the way it plays the game. And that might just be the next championship formula. Thank you.